we gave 50 IT professionals 24 hours to deliver a one-year project.
With this bootcamp, we're going to push ourselves to learn new technologies and solve problems in a different way.
Network with our most important customers to create tomorrow's technology while learning and challenging and growing stronger together.
We will have loads of fun with our friends and colleagues.
Being here at this bootcamp is amazing. You kind of like in this bubble with these people, and the outside world doesn't exist. You're just here, you just do your thing, and everybody's like super focused, and it's so cool what we can create in such few hours.
For me, the most important thing is that everybody owns everything together, from discovering needs to run in production.
I have learned the importance of cooperating and to be aware of dependencies within the team and the project.
My main takeaway is how a group of people can work without any real specification or we just had a goal that's value-based, and everyone just started to working towards that goal, and it actually worked. We did do what we were supposed to do, and I think we delivered value. We didn't know how when we got here, but I think we do now.
Yeah, the bootcamp is really nice and a good learning experience for the people involved, and also for us as coaches too, to get to know other people, learn new things, learn new ways of doing things, and get challenged on what we know.
I think the bootcamp has been 2 inspiring days with the great opportunities to learn new things and extend your network.
Sogeti is investing in this in order to attract new co-workers, boost engagement and learn while having fun together.
What the customers want today is to buy services that gives them fast value, scalability, flexibility. Today we set the foundation to deliver that value.
We create value for everyone.